What's up, YouTube family? This Milwaukee battery operated transfer pump is a great tool to have in your arsenal. If you look right here, this is the section for the battery storage right here, and where you connect the battery. Very simple, nice clean look. Has the power button right there. And I'm gonna let you see it in action today. I've had this for a couple years. I've used it. I mainly use it for like jobs where I have to pump out water, you know, and when I'm doing some water heater jobs. As you can see, I have this hose hooked up to this water heater. I'm gonna just show you. And the water heater is leaking, as you can see from all this water, and it was running. I shut the water off to the house, so it's draining now. I have a hose hooked up to it, and it's draining, at a very, very slow rate. Sometimes when it won't drain at all, what I have to do is drill a hole in the water heater and hook this transfer pump in it, put a hose line inside of it, and then let it go from there. But this time it's draining a little bit, so I'm going to hook the transfer pump up to it and see what happens. Okay, family, I hooked this extension hose right up here to it so I can put it on this end. Both ends of my extension hose have females end on it, so I can put it on here. So let's turn the transfer pump on and let you see it in action. Look at that. It's pulling that water out of the water heater at a faster rate. So this is going to cut down on my drain time of this water heater, because it's pulling this water out. Anyway, I've used this for several applications. Let's turn off and let it drain, making quite a bit of noise there. But I've used it for several applications, family, and I can't say anything but good things about this transfer pump. If you need a transfer pump, this is a battery operated one, and it works great. I've used, like I said, I can't even say how many times I've used this thing, and I've had it for several years now. I'm repeating myself, but anyway, that's enough. I got to get back to work and get this job done. I just figured I would take this time out and show you a great tool, the Milwaukee transfer pump, battery operated. All right, family, thank you for taking the time to check out the video. Talk to you soon. Have a blessed day.